Okay, so we have another problem here. Find users with valid email, which is an easy level problem. So we have a table users which contains three columns: user ID, name, and mail. User ID is the primary key here for a column with unique values for this table. This table contains information of the users signed up in a website. Some emails are invalid. So we need to write a solution to find the users who have valid emails. A valid email has a prefix name and a domain where the prefix name is a string that may contain letters, upper or lowercase, digits, underscore, period, and or dash. The prefix name must start with a letter. So we have one condition here that the prefix name must start with a letter, followed by the number of letters, which can be in upper or lowercase, digits, underscore, periods, and or dash. After that, we need a domain which should be at leetcode.com. Return the result table in any order. So we have the users table here. Here, Winston at leetcode.com looks fine. Jonathan, no, it's not a valid email. Bella, yeah, it looks fine. Sally.com at leetcode.com, yeah, it also looks fine. Quartz hash. So hash is not included in the condition here. That is why it's not accepted. So this email was not valid. Here gmail.com, it is also not valid, and here it starts with a period, so it's also not valid. As you can see, we have only three mails which are valid. So we need to find the pattern. So for the pattern recognition, we can use regular expressions here. So we need the user ID, name, and mails from the users table which has this pattern. So we can select star from users where mail regxp, which means regular expression, which will uh, start with a single quote, and it will start with a caret, which means that this is the starting string. After that, we will include our starting string in a bracket, which means that for the first character, which must be a letter. So we can write here as a letter which can be in upper or lower case. So we can write here A to Z as well as A to Z in uppercase as well as lowercase. Okay. So we have this condition here that the first letter must be a letter, and then the following condition is that the string may contain letters, upper and lowercase, digits, underscore, and or dash. So what we can do here, we can write one more condition here with this. We will copy this. So we have letters, we have covered letters now, upper and lowercase. Now we need to cover digits also. So digits start from 0 to 9. After that, we can cover underscore, period, and dash. So we can write underscore, period, and dash. Okay. So we have this condition here. Now we will simply write star here, which simply means that the quantifier means 0 or more of the preceding element. So this part of the pattern matches any combination of all allowed characters, including the possibility of none at all. Okay. So we have this condition here. After that, we will simply write @ Leetcode in .com followed by a $sign, which means that this is the end of the string, which means that the string will start with after caret and end before dollar, which is $sign here, which means that the string ends here. So let's see if our query is correct or not. As you can see, our pattern matching regex expression is correct. So let's submit it. So yeah, we have completed all the 50 questions here.